Hey guys, today we're going to be rebuilding the carbs on the 79 CB650. You saw the disassembly of me taking them off the bike. Fairly straightforward. So here they are, a little dirtier than the carbs that came off the 81. These don't even move, as the number 4 is kind of stuck. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a bunch of gunk in there. So this time I'm going to be disassembling them one at a time. I have carb cleaner sitting over there. I'll have the parts sit in there overnight, and then we will put them back together tomorrow. Change the spark plugs that I have. I just got those. Change the oil. Replace the throttle cables. And then we'll see if she starts, and then from there we'll actually start tearing down the whole bike down to the frame. I have the climber manual here. Should be straightforward. I went through it briefly. It's almost like the 81 and up carbs. They definitely look different. These look not as bulky as the 81s. I think the 81s actually look better. They have a nice chrome round top, but yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the float bowls are all out, fairly easy. Floats are out as well. I gotta test them later, see if they float. I didn't buy any replacements. I don't think they're bad, but I'll throw in some water and see if they stay afloat. Next is to take the all the jets out on each carb, and then we'll see where we go from there. I do have to order a new accelerator pump seal, because this one is pretty crusty. So I'm going to take this home, measure it, because from what I remember, I think they have different measurements. And that's it. And then we'll put the kit together, and hopefully we can move on to the next step. Alright, so parts are in the carb cleaner. I do have to order a new accelerator pump seal, because this one is pretty crusty. So I'm going to take this home, measure it, because from what I remember, I think they have different measurements, and that's it. And then we'll put the kit together, and hopefully we can move on to the next step. What's up, guys? Got the 79-650 carbs here. 90% assembled. I just gotta put the jets in here, the bowls, and then the covers up top. So let's get started. Might be asking, why am I changing the slow jets and the main jets? Well, the bike is going to go to an open exhaust, 4-into-1, and then I'm also going to have open air pods instead of the stock air box. Might not run as smooth as stock, but it looks cooler, and it might make a little more power. But since now we have more airflow going out and in, we need to have more fuel to, richen up the fuel mixture as it's naturally going to be lean again. So, bigger slow jets, bigger main jets. I didn't change the needle jet positioning. I did replace them, I just didn't change their, essentially how high they sit. I put them in the stock position. If I have to, I'll come back and change them out. I couldn't find info on whether I should change them. So the aftermarket ones have different notches here, and you're able to essentially raise it up or drop it down. I just matched it with where the stock one was. Now the slow jets, you actually press them in so they don't screw in or anything. A lot of people think you can't replace them because they're pressed in. Alright, so carbs are put together, all done. Everything works.